It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. This Shiba Inu coin price forecast will shock you. $2 in a single night. Shiba updates on August 27th. Cryptocurrency prices fell, with Bitcoin closing the day below the $21,000 mark. At $20.98, the biggest and most popular cryptocurrency in the world traded over 6% lower. Despite falling more than 6% in the past 24 hours to $1.0 trillion, $2 trillion, the worldwide crypto market valuation today was still more than $1 trillion according to CoinGecko. Watch this video to learn about the Shiba Inu coin price prediction that will shock you. $2 overnight Shiba updates. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, which is associated with the Ethereum network, fell more than 10% to $1,509 on August 27. As anticipation for the merge and impending network software upgrade grew, Ether's price began to outperform the cryptocurrency market as a whole. New details regarding the impending upgrade were disclosed earlier this week by the Ethereum Foundation, suggesting that everything is proceeding according to plan. The improvement is scheduled to be finished between September 10th and 20th, according to the release. At the same time, Shiba Inu was down about 10% at 0,113, while Dogecoin was down more than 7% at 0.6. Binance USD, Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Tether were among the other cryptocurrency prices that fell today, joining BNB, Chainlink, ApeCoin, XRP, Uniswap, Tron, Litecoin, Stellar, Binance USD, and a host of others. Similar to stock markets around the world, cryptocurrency prices fell as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell cautioned against easing monetary policy too soon. After a tight range of just over 2 weeks, Bitcoin has settled at the bottom end of that range. Since last Friday, its price has fluctuated between $20,000 on the market. The head of the U.S. Central Bank, Jerome Powell, said that interest rates will likely remain high for some time in an effort to combat inflation. He firmly rejected the notion that the Fed will soon change its stance. In response to persistently high inflation, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates, which had a negative impact on cryptocurrency prices during the first half of the year. Some cryptocurrency lenders blocked client withdrawals when a big pair of tokens crashed, and numerous crypto companies laid off workers. While Bitcoin has made a full recovery from its mid-June lows, Ether, the second most popular cryptocurrency, has done even better due to optimism surrounding its upcoming merging upgrade. In Thursday's digital asset market, when market leaders like Ethereum and Bitcoin took a break, Shiba Inu, the second biggest crypto meme coin, witnessed a jump in burning rate and asset price. 1/3 billion Shiba Inu were delivered to unspendable wallets, increasing the SHIB burn rate, according to SHIB Burn portal. An active Shiba Inu token burner tweeted that Amazon and the new SHIB Burn gateway had a role in the elimination of some of this amount. Data from CoinMarketCash indicates that SHIB, the 12th biggest cryptocurrency, is now trading at about 0. The expectations surrounding the launch of SHIB Burn and a recent jump in the token's burn rate are the main factors driving SHIB's upward price movement. According to data from SHIB Burn, 40% of the total SHIB supply has been burned so far, and about 110 million SHIB tokens have been burned in the past 24 hours. Data from Dune Analytics also shows that the user base of Shiba Swap, the popular DEX platform created by the Shiba Inu team, has grown. Breaking news about the new digital payment mechanism was bolstered by other pertinent stories, which further increased the enthusiasm and optimism surrounding the once globally trending Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has grown in popularity as a result of its increased activity as a spot trading alternative on centralized exchanges that are known worldwide. Even if the digital assets market is having a rough patch right now, Shiba has been included to a growing number of centralized crypto exchanges. With listings on well-known CEXs, the SHIB token economy has gained access to a larger pool of prospective daily traders and investors, which has boosted its potential daily transaction volume. All signs point to the Shiba Inu decentralized community's progress toward its stated aim of standing out as a decentralized initiative of note in the global payment and financial industries, according to recent SHIB news. What the Shiba Inu crew has been up to is plainly shown by the Visa burn card and their recent postings on the exchange. As a result of the news, the value of the SHIB coin has risen, while the value of several other cryptocurrencies fell in the aftermath of the Federal Reserve's announcement of a 0.75% increase in inflation. Almost all experts and Shiba Inu owners think it's great news because the new Visa burn card has an improved burn mechanism, more listings, and is mostly due to the new payment card. Having said that, the Shiba Inu community and team have made it clear that they intend to continue working on improving the ecosystem and the Shiba Inu token usage method. The token's value can skyrocket to $2 if this fantastic news is spread. The Shiba Inu seems to be on the cusp of some exciting new developments. The faithful Shiba army has made it clear that they intend to continue making progress even in the face of what many are describing as a full-on bear market and the impending crypto winter, which may not even begin yet, as the market remains in a relatively day-to-day outlook amid increased interest in inflation rate uncertainty and other factors impacting the volatility of all markets. This currency might surge in value due to the major advancements that are happening this year. According to crypto experts, this project will be completely transformed by two significant Shiba Inu developments, the Shibarium and the Shiburus. Everyone is looking forward to Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution because of the influence it will have on this coin. Built on the Ethereum network which Shiba Inu is a part of, Shibarium is a mechanism for scaling Ethereum. Users will spend much less gas to transact Shiba once the Shiba Inu project launches this scaling protocol. Over the past 2 weeks, Ethereum whales have started to lose weight. At the moment, they're concentrating on Shiba Inu, a meme coin that has a large and engaged user base. However, the price has been stubborn in its refusal to move in tandem. In response to the decline, the cryptocurrency's most vocal backers, known as Ethereum whales, have drastically cut their holdings. During the peak of the Shiba Inu rally, the combined holdings of the top Ethereum whales and SHIB exceeded $1 billion. For some time, this persisted as token holders clung to their digital assets, in the hope that the asset would eventually cancel out another zero. However, it was never the situation. Ethereum whales started selling off their holdings a few months later. Over the past 2 months, we've seen their combined wealth fall to about 500 million, but many whales kept holding, and several even strengthened their position. The top Ethereum whales currently have SHB holdings totaling slightly over 160 million. This indicates that the whales have sold off almost $300 million worth of assets in the past 30 days. Eligible users participating in the sign-up deposit and trade event in partnership with Bone Shiba Swap will have the chance to win 5,055 Bone Shiba 100 NMPRO. Among the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu ecosystem governance token, Mexki Global introduced Bone support in January of this year. Today states that the leading cryptocurrency exchange has just launched a USDC pair, further increasing support for Shiba Inus. With its announcement in July 2021, Mexki became one of the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu, making it possible to trade on its platform. Interest in the land is high despite the fact that there are fewer than 65,000 bones available for farming. Once the 230 million mining tokens were obtained in June, the Shiba Inu community voted decisively to end all bone farming. It was planned that the remaining 20 million tokens would be reserved for validators on Shibarium. There is a cap of 250,000 bone tokens. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.